Engineering log. Ensign Boone recording. Man, I heard a couple friends send me a communique, and they says, "Hey, we're over at Starfleet Command here. We're learning how to be a captain. We're learning to go through Starfleet Academy, to go through the officers training. You start out as a lieutenant, you work your way up to a captain. I mean, you spend many years there to go through school to learn this and learn that, go through, get on ship assignments, get space time in, all kinds of stuff. But a lot of people want to be a captain. They want to be a captain, get on a ship, command the ship, make the big decisions, go out in space. Sometimes make a name for themselves, like James Kirk and Captain Picard. Well, yeah, boy, I guess I can't use that one, but there is a Picard out there that is going through training. But you never know. Maybe down in the future might be some other Picards too down there. It's hard to tell, but there are other people that are doing training, officer training, to become captains. But I was really shocked when they told me, saying, "Wow, you know what? There's a couple captains that's going through Starfleet Academy that they said, well, once I get a ship, I'm making my officers make the final decisions, not me." But wait a minute. When you become a captain, you are responsible for all those people on the ship. When you get on a Constellation starship, you are responsible for 400 people or more. All depends how many people that's on there. All different assignments and ranks and all that stuff. You are the sole person that is in charge of that ship. You, the captain, make the final decisions. So all you got to do is listen to everything, weigh the odds, and that's got to be a real difficult job to do. Hey, I'm just an ensign. That's all I am. I'm just an ensign. That's all I am. I'm in engineering. I can work my way up the ladder, just like everything else. But I'm assigned here on the US's cutlip. It's like I'm new to the cutlip, so whatever. But everybody's nice to me over here on the ship and everything. But engineering is a great place to be. I mean, you play with the engines, push all kinds of buttons and everything. It's just a nice ship. But man, if I was going to go through officers training and become a captain, I will be doing the decision making myself. I'm going to ask my officers, even the crew, what should we do? What do you think we should do? Ain't that a sign of a good captain? I guess the question is to be a captain or not to be a captain. That's the question. So I'm just making a personal log to myself, and just it's all fresh in my mind, and with the other communications that I got from a couple friends at Starfleet Academy. I mean, that they're like, "Man, you're on a ship, and I'm stuck on Earth." And I'm like, "Well, that's just the way Starfleet is. They'll assign you for short term or long term assignments, and switch you around different ships and that. That's what it's all. That's all. That's all what it is to be in Starfleet, right?" So there you go. Alrighty, I'm going to end this. My duty shift is almost over, so I want to get out of here. End of log. Ensign Boone out.
Captain's Log Supplemental. Captain Mark, commanding the USS Crytek. I'm just returning from a short shore leave that we have a yearly dinner with a lot of my friends that went through the Officers Academy. And we discuss a lot of things that's happened through the year and things that are upcoming, or coming up in the near future, I guess. And one of my friends was telling me about a person going through officers training right now in the academy to be a captain of his own ship, and he believes that he's just going to let all his officers make all the decisions on the ship. Well, we all know what happens when you do that. Your whole crew loses respect for you, and you will have nothing but problems all of the time just because you're not taking the initiative to show that you are the captain. You have to be present. You have to be the leader and the counselor, and you have to bring the crew up with you, and you tell them how nice it's going to be or how great this next trip is going to be, and you got to raise them up and bring their beliefs up, or else the morale of the crew goes way down. So hopefully this person realizes that he's not going to be able to do that, and if he doesn't realize that, I do not believe he's going to make it through the whole academy training. So, and you know what they say, a definition of integrity is what you do when no one else is looking. Captain Bart, out.
I got a secret. I tapped into Federation communications, and I'm hearing that people are talking about the academy that they go through to become captains, and some of them are being scoundrels and not do what they're supposed to be doing. What are they doing at Federation headquarters? Oh man, I don't know what to tell you. At Bringing Our, when we get old enough, we get into the academy and we do what we do, man. We do what we have to do to become captains of our little ships. Don't matter if it's a garbage scow, or it's a Ferengi warship, or even a Ferengi trader like me. I'm gonna have fun tapping into the Federation communications. And I also heard someone else is gonna be doing the same thing down the road. Oh man, oh man, oh man. It's gonna be fun. Woo. Oh man. I'm gonna go listen some more.